The present perfect continuous tense in business English is a very useful tense that is commonly used to talk about ongoing actions or situations that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. In this essay, we will explore the structure of the present perfect continuous tense and provide numerous examples to help you understand how it is used in a business context. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is has-have been present participle in form of the verb. It is important to note that this tense is used to emphasize the duration of an action or situation that started in the past and is still continuing in the present. Here are some examples of how the present perfect continuous tense can be used in business English. 1. We have been working on this project for the past month. 2. The team has been collaborating on a new marketing strategy for the last few weeks. 3. The company has been investing in research and development to improve product quality. 4. The sales team has been meeting with clients to discuss their needs and requirements. 5. The company has been expanding its operations to new markets in Asia. 6. The CEO has been leading the company through a period of growth and innovation. The marketing department has been implementing a new social media campaign to increase brand awareness. The HR department has been recruiting new talent to support the company's growth. The finance team has been analyzing the company's financial performance to identify areas for improvement. 10. The IT department has been upgrading the company's technology infrastructure to enhance efficiency. By using the present perfect continuous tense in business English, you can effectively communicate ongoing actions and situations that have been happening over a period of time. This tense allows you to highlight the duration and importance of these activities, making your communication more precise and impactful. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is an essential tool in business English for communicating ongoing actions and situations that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. By using this tense effectively, you can convey your ideas clearly and accurately in a business context.